Well, the Delhi police stopped Yogendra Yadav from speaking to the media yet again this morning. Yadav was pushed inside by the cops at Parliament Street police station when he tried to speak to the media. And high-voltage drama ensued and broke out at the farmers' protest rally at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi late last night, following which the former AAP leader, Yogendra Yadav, was detained along with 90 supporters. Senior lawyer and another former AAP leader, Prashant Bhushan, then rushed to the police station on hearing the news of Yadav's arrest. Yogendra Yadav had claimed that he had been beaten up, he was manhandled, even dragged and pushed by the Delhi cops at time of his arrest at Parliament Street police station. Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal reacted strongly to Yogendra Yadav's arrest. He said, and I quote, "I strongly condemn the treatment meted out to Yogendra Yadav ji by the Delhi police. They were protesting peacefully and it is their fundamental right."
योगेंद्र जी और उनके कार्यकर्ताओं के साथ जिस तरह से पुलिस ने बर्ताव किया, इसकी हम कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करते हैं और ये ठीक नहीं है, क्योंकि इस देश के अंदर शांतिपूर्वक प्रदर्शन करना संविधान के आर्टिकल 19 में उनका मौलिक अधिकार है, फंडामेंटल राइट है। और पीसफुली प्रोटेस्ट करते हुए कार्यकर्ताओं पे इस तरह से बर्बरतापूर्ण कार्रवाई जो है उसकी हम कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करते हैं। और मैं माननीय गृह मंत्री जी राजनाथ जी से अपील करूंगा कि वो पर्सनली इसमें एक रिपोर्ट लें और इसमें
शाम के 5 बज चुके थे तो उसके लिए इजाजत ले ली जाती। अगर वो ये इजाजत नहीं थी तो इजाजत और ले ली जाती। तो इसमें इतना धक्का करने, गिरफ्तार करने की और मैन हैंडल करने की क्या जरूरत थी? ये देखते हैं अभी पुलिस का क्या एटीट्यूड रहता है, उस पर आधार पे ये धरना खत्म होगा।
The land bill protest gaining momentum. Yogendra Yadav amongst 90 others who've been arrested in the Parliament Street Thana. You can see out here there are a number of supporters who have come out here in support of Yogendra Yadav and his men. This is all in protest for the land bill. And remember, even though this bill is coming in December, the protest is already going on. And what we know is they've been protesting for quite some time. But it's their march towards Jantar Mantar to 7 RCR, which led the police to take action against them for disrupting peace process. And that is why they've now been placed under arrest under section 107/151. We've been told these are certain sections which have been put on them for disrupting peace. There's section 144. There's been a violation of that. And yes, even as this entire protest gains momentum, what is coming to light is that the protest is not going to come down. And remember, the permission of the protest expired on the 10th, and that is why the arrest has been made in the midnight on the 11th. And this is what is now really happening. Action here at Parliament Street, where people have gathered in support of Yogendra Yadav and his men. With camera person Manoj Sangwan, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi for India Today.
Meanwhile, the Delhi police has broken its silence on the overnight swoop on a farmer rally at Jantar Mantar last night. In fact, taking ex-AAP leader Yogendra Yadav in custody, according to the police. They say that permission was given to the protesters to carry out activities up till 10th of August. And according to the police, yesterday evening, Yogendra Yadav and the protesters sought permission to extend it by 4 more days. The permission was rejected. Later, Yadav and his supporters said that they wanted to march till the Prime Minister's residence. Police then went on to say that they tried to convince the protesters not to carry on with their protest, but they insisted. The protesters have now been placed under preventive arrest. Police have also made it clear that they did not use force.
उन्होंने अप्लाई किया था कल कि हमको 14 तक परमिशन दी जाए, उसको डीसीपी ऑफिस ने रिजेक्ट करके उनको भेज दिया था। उन्होंने बोला कि आप धरना जो भी आपकी डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन है उसको और मीटिंग है उसको 10 तारीख को ख़त्म करिए। उसके बावजूद भी ये जो ऑर्डर दिया था कि इसके बाद आप अलाउड नहीं हैं, बावजूद ये कंटिन्यू रहे। उसके बाद रात में ये बोल रहे थे कि हम किसी भी टाइम पीएम हाउस के वहाँ जाएंगे और वहाँ ये कुछ उसके लिए। तो उनसे काफ़ी हमने बात की थी, काफ़ी पुलिस ऑफिसर्स ने समझाया, इनके नेताओं को भी समझाया। उसके बाद नहीं माने और सब आर्गूमेंट करने लगे और उसके बाद काफ़ी इन्होंने जो शांति भंग करने की कोशिश की गई। उसके बाद पुलिस ने कार्रवाई की और इनको अरेस्ट किया।
India Today, Simi Passer joins us for more on this. Simi, there may have been ideological differences in the past, but former party colleagues speaking in unison against the police action there.
Absolutely, Avantika. Interesting about how Yogendra Yadav's supporters pushed away Sanjay Singh, saying that the Aam Aadmi Party is now extending support only to take advantage of the situation. Remember, the situation here in central Delhi evening was quite tense when about 90 supporters of Yogendra Yadav, farmers basically from Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab, were detained by the police. They were later arrested. What's also interesting is that Prashant Bhushan says that they're not being allowed to meet Yogendra Yadav, and this is something which is quite questionable, considering that people who are detained should be allowed to speak to their lawyers. Now, there's also a difference of opinion or different versions of the same event coming to light. Yogendra Yadav claims that there was crackdown on peaceful supporters on Monday night. He claims that he actually got a call saying that the police was cracking down on supporters. The police's version, though, is that they had started a march towards 7 RCR, which is why there was a clampdown, considering that there was no permission for this protest. Different versions coming out, but Yogendra Yadav, remember, also tweeted a photograph of himself with a torn sleeve, saying that he had been manhandled and he'd been forcibly packed into a bus and taken away.
Right, Simi, absolutely. You know, Yogendra Yadav alleging of absolute brutal assault by the police against him. But do we know what will happen now? You know, how long will he be kept in custody? What are you hearing from the police sources?
Avantika, we're still not sure how long this arrest will continue. We're seeing protesters outside the Parliament Street police station. There's heavy deployment of police as well. These people are standing here. Prashant Bhushan is also present here along with the protesters. They're not being allowed to meet Yogendra Yadav. He continues to be inside the jail with inside the lockup with about 90 other supporters and farmers. Basically, this is an agitation which is likely to intensify over the next coming few days. Even if Yogendra Yadav is released, which eventually he will, the protest that Yogendra Yadav has now picked up against the BJP's land acquisition bill is likely to gain momentum. Of course, Yogendra Yadav also claiming that he has the support of locals on the ground in Punjab, Rajasthan and Haryana, basically farmers who are protesting against the dilution of the consent clause in the land bill.
All right, Simi, thanks so much for getting us all of those updates. She, of course, is tracking all the developments outside the police station, and there is a huge presence of police force. We will, of course, get you more information on that. Meanwhile, AAP leader Sanjay Singh has reached the Parliament police station in support for Yogendra Yadav. He, however, could not really meet Yogendra Yadav as he did face protests from Yadav supporters. Now, the AAP party has come out in full support of Yogendra Yadav and even against the Delhi police.
तरीके का व्यवहार भी किया उनकी अपनी कोई भी वजह हो, लेकिन किसानों का मुद्दा था, उसमें हम आए थे।
समर्थन देने आए थे थोड़ी देर पहले, लेकिन पुलिस उनको अंदर जाने नहीं दिया गया। थोड़ी देर बाद थोड़ा उनका विरोध हुआ, फिर विरोध के बाद वो चले गए। पर वो स्वराज अभियान को समर्थन दे रहे हैं और किसान आंदोलन को भी समर्थन दे रहे हैं और योगेंद्र यादव के साथ हैं।
देखिए जी, क्लियर बात है, राजनीति रोटी सेकने के लिए सबसे अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म उनके लिए। जो कार्यकर्ता इस टाइम आम आदमी पार्टी में हैं, वो इस टाइम डबल माइंडेड हैं। वो सोचते हैं कि हम स्वराज के साथ जाए, आम आदमी पार्टी के जाए। उनको रोकने के लिए ये एक बहुत बड़ा ड्रामा था।